Hello everyone and welcome to this course. The name of this course is Technology for Everyone. As you know, it's really hard to be up to date with this new world, new technologies, and to keep up with this everyday changing digital world, especially with this AI world. So understanding the new technologies give you a competitive advantage, give you more power than others, and also make more opportunities to you. So there are some questions like what is exactly the internet, how does it work, and what opportunities can you find online? These are the questions that you will understand well enough throughout this course. So, what is the content of this course? What exactly this course consists of? So, it has two main sections. Let's dive in to see what's happening throughout this course. So this is a outline video for this course. In this video, we're gonna see titles and subtitle of this course. The first section of this course is about how to think like a coder. And the first subtitle of this section is human versus machines. In this section, we will compare the human abilities and machine abilities and the advantage and disadvantage of the machines. So the next section is about thinking like a machine, how we as humans can think like a machine. The next section is about how to think like a coder, like a programming developer, web developer, the people who have the ability to code. So the second section of this course is about a hyper-connected world. So it's basically about the internet. We're gonna talk about in the first section about the internet. The next section about the web. What is the web? What is the internet? And what is the difference between them? Is it really the web and the internet the same or not? We're gonna compare them together. And the third section is about web technologies and jobs and how we can find jobs with the ability of coding, ability of knowing technologies. That was the outline of this mini course. So this course will briefly talk about the new technologies, new world, about the internet, artificial intelligence. So I wish you the best and stay tuned. The next video we're gonna talk about the first section, how to think like a coder, and its subtitles. So as always, make the most of your time and bye for now.